So this is Chris and its box. It's a prototype what I show you today, but what you will get at the end will look very similar to our presentation of today. And we are very excited to share this with you. Okay, so this is basically what you get when you order Chris. So this is a box. It's a square box made out of natural cardboard, so pretty ecological. It has some nice white graphics on each side. On the front side, you see the device saying Chris, a digital assistant for driver. Here in the front, you see the main function of Chris, meaning messaging, navigation, call, and music. And basically on the back side, you have the content of the box. So the Chris, a micro USB charger, the dual USB charger, the suction cup mount, and the quick start guide. So let's open it. It's very simple. It opens this way. So this is what you see first time you open the box. Here on the top we have a little quick start guide, which is a booklet explaining how you mount and install the Chris into your car, how you connect it with your car, and how you connect it with your phone. Very simple installation, just take a few minutes. And here I see the Chris is presented on a white cardboard background, so I can easily remove it. That's the device. It has an brushed aluminum ring. It has a soft touch back cover. Here you can see the on-off switch. And in the front we have a round display mounted on a round glass. So that's the device. And then I can open this layer and discover what's on the underneath. So we have quite long cable here. So the cable you can is the cable to basically charge the Chris while driving, but Chris also has a battery, so you can run the device without charging it. Anyway, we recommend to keep it plugged so that it's always working. Here we have the suction mount. This is the part you install once in your car. You need to plug the cable here on the back, like this. And the other side of the cable go into your USB charger, which is plugged into your cigarette lighting. The mount has a magnet, so this part stays on the windshield, and every time you enter your car, you can connect your Chris, and when you leave your car, you can remove the Chris and take it with you or leave it in the car. So that's the mount. And then we have some other accessory. We have this dual USB charger. So this is basically plugged into your cigarette lighting. You have two USB so that you can charge your Chris and you can also charge your smartphone at the same time, which is very convenient. It has a little light which indicates charging is working. And then we have this little bag which contains 6 little what we call cable drops. So this is little guides that help you to place the cable in your car in a very discreet way to make sure that everything looks good and everything looks pretty integrated. So that's the box. Once it's empty, I will close it here. And now we have all different items: the charger, the device itself, the quick start guide, the cable, the dual USB charger, and the little cable drops.